up on the YouTube. Let's get it. What's up, Hunter? I don't know, Top Cat. I can't see the setup you're talking about. For me, 814 looks like a really weird setup. Looks like this candle right here. I don't know if you mean this candle at 813, but none of these are look like a good candle. On the 1 minute though, at 509, that looks very solid of a play. So we got another minute, and then we'll have market open. Let's see what we got. All right, market open. There we go. Let's see what we get here. I want to see ideally continuation before anything, just because I don't like seeing market open dumpy and taking a move from that. So we'll let the first few minutes play out and see what we get. Y'all doing a Vegas meetup tomorrow? What? Love craps. Bro got faded by Hunter. Nah, actually, I literally got faded by Hunter, bro. Hunter's like, I'm gonna fade you up and give you that special treatment at the end. I'm like, all right, say less. Had to get it done. I had to get it done, bro. For a month, I learned a lot of people need to take our life seriously, and that's enough. Yeah, I just gotta realize you're not gonna be taking trades every single day. That's like the reality of it. A lot of people don't like to face. But right now, all I'm looking for is literally just a pullback momentum candle. We'll get another trade right here. We have a lot of strength right now, so it's pretty good. Only news we have is at 10 a.m., so that's the only thing we'll look out for. Happy ending cut. All right. And funded or live funded. Look at TikTok. Start clicking live. I saw Daryl's live. Super boring. Thought Daryl. Wait. Through Daryl, I got Aro. Oh, you found me from Daryl? That's crazy. That's actually crazy. All right, this first few minutes pass. I don't usually like taking trades within the. Okay, I'm on the 1 minute. Ain't nobody tell me I'm on the 1 minute, bro. That's crazy. You too, Top K. Fish not trading tomorrow. That's crazy, bro. Abandoning the charts. But let's get this move up like this. Pass this high. Pull back. Momentum candle. I'll take that. If I have 1,500 one day, then lost 300. If I have profit a day of 1,800, does that break consistency rule? There's like a bunch of them, bro. I can't control all of them. Like there's like a shit ton of them that just make accounts and just impersonate me. You got if you won't break when you break the consistency rule, you're not gonna breach your account. You're just gonna break the rule, and all you have to do is make more profit to be able to pass it, to be able to like get past the consistency rule. Okay, so for a bullish play, I want to see us maintain these moves, these move ups. I don't want us to fall back all the way down. Time's hard. Have you added another estimate? I'm just testing this out live with y'all right now. I'm not actually. This is not like a set in stone rule yet. This is a 50 SMA. I'm just looking at it because I was going through over the past price action for the yesterday and over some of the trades, and it seems like the 50 SMA allows us to make sure that we're trading in like the best of the best market condition. Wherever we have like a lot of strength, and we're holding above that too. When we break below that, for example, right here, you can see like price is starting to be a little choppy until we break above it, we continue strength. Same thing down here, like we're holding below it, perfect. Holding above it, perfect. But once we start breaking below it, it's like, you gotta be careful. Jonathan, I take like, it's like 1 to 2 average, but sometimes 0. Hardly ever I'll pass 2. Sometimes I'll get to 3, but very like unlikely. What's up, IQ? All right, all we're waiting for now is a pullback and a momentum candle. Actually, I wanted us to break this high. I thought we were breaking it pretty strong, but we'll see what we get. I know, bro. I gotta talk to Irving, bro. He's been doing good, bro. He passed a lot of fundeds. He just needs to lock in on it. Bro, I can need to increase his position size, bro. We need that shit to pumpy right now. But up to the other Blake, I don't know. Why? Something like about you, bro. Honestly, you chat always simple, just simple. That's what I preach, Jonathan. Like, you don't need to have anything complicated. Just stupid simple. Keep things simple. Follow a simple strategy, and don't try to change and make it overcomplicated. It's that simple. We're at the gym and never came back. What's up, Edward? Damn, did we drop volatility? We did it. We dropped volatility a lot. Only 50 points. The roids got them is crazy. All right, give us a damn pullback, and we'll get in. Okay, I like this bullish strength. Pullback time. Let's get it. Come on. We need that retrace. All right. This candle's tweaking out. Maybe we're not getting a retrace. All right, IQ, are you mocking me now? If you're mocking me, I'm about to get you out of this Discord. That literally sounds like some shit I would say. Yeah, we just did a pullback. Bullish for the day? Yeah, 100% bullish. We have a strong move up. I was waiting for the Discord for you using fire, bro. That's the thing. You can use this on any market and any time frame, Oro. Any market, any time frame. I mean, the life's too much. Bro, you be locking in too much, which is good. You start sounding like Oro. That's true. Okay, this is not a pullback. What the hell, bro? We need more than that. Love the live music is soothing. I don't have any music on. I don't know what music there is. That's the waiting music. Got a good tempo. All right, we could be getting that pullback now. Watching your mom drive off after you leaving you at the store. All right, let's see if we're going to get that pullback and momentum candle combination. Let's see if we are going to get that today. Nah. Jesus Christ, that shit pumped so hard. Can't hear. Can y'all hear me? Yo, what? Bro, how? Can you guys hear me now? Dog, what? Okay, Top K. What are you saying? About to get banned for that. Like, how does that work? Disappeared to take the setup on his own. Yeah, we're getting a lot of strength. Could be good for some momentum scalps. Haven't done those in a while. Frozen. Can you guys see me? Can you guys see the screen now? Bro, actually, like, what is wrong with my internet, bro? I've changed it multiple times. What the hell? Hello? Hold on, let me join back. Alright, can you see and hear me now? Dude, what in the world is, like, up with my internet, bro? This can't be my internet. Bro has like 10 streams on. Bro, I have Optimum. It sucks. Nah, the banks are actually trying to stop me, bro. They're trying to stop me from locking in. Okay, if we get a momentum candle at any point now, I'm looking for a trade to the upside. Nah, actually matrix attack. What is this, bro? Nah, not entering off this candle. Trying to see your screen. Is my screen showing? You guys should be able to see it. Why does it have low network condition? Bro, what do you mean, bro? Maybe if I lower the quality of my stream. Yeah, not that many momentum candles. These two, none of these are momentum. Very slow chop way up. But we don't want to get caught taking trades that aren't valid. That's why we always wait for, what's it called? Always wait for strong momentum candles. What's news today? We got 10 a.m. news. Need to get fiber internet. What should I upgrade to? But I have like 600. Yeah, my upload speed is 5. I just did a speed test. My upload speed is 5 megabits, bro. No wonder. Supposed to be at like 20. You're just 1,000? Dog, what? One to 1.5? 5,000? Bro, stupid ass Spectrum, bro. Always giving some damn problems. Okay, bro, it's not a hotspot. What's up, Dax? Yo, W Dax. Bro's up 3 grand. Aluminum foil on my PC is actually crazy. Nah, we're not entering off this candle. It was like way too high up on the move. Spectrum. Yeah, I'm getting my downloads like 600. Finance is personal, but did you living with trading like no other work? When I started trading, I did have other work. I had other sources of income up until like 4 or 5 months ago, 6 months ago is when I stopped putting when I slowly started decreasing that work and slowly putting it off and focusing more on trading. Massmate, let's go, Dax. W. Your balls made you enter. No, actually, what internet should I upgrade to? Like, let me know. I need to upgrade this, bro. I don't know why it's having issues. Like, I've replaced my router. I've replaced my modem. I've talked to Spectrum fucking employees like 50 bajillion times. Like, I genuinely don't get why it keeps happening. Like, none of my routers or my modems are like Spectrum related. They're like, I have a Netgear router. I have a, what is it called? This other Netgear modem. I have a TP-Link router, if you guys even know what that is. I have a TP-Link router. could be a Discord problem, not your internet. I mean, I think it is my internet, because sometimes my upload speed just drops. Like randomly, out of nowhere. It's at like 5. It should be at 20. That's the plan I pay for. What the hell is Spectrum? That's crazy. It's that damn Spectrum, bro. You can get boosters for them, which plug into your wall. You got fiber? No, I don't. I hear about like fiber and whatnot. Isn't that like the strongest one or something? I got 32 down speed Spectrum. News in 5 minutes? Yeah, you're right. News in 5 minutes. $19 for fiber. Hey, yo, what? Why so cheap? For 1,000 megabits? Have you taken any good trades this week? I think the only trade we had was Monday. So far. Been a pretty slow week since I don't trade that long. I use an Ethernet cable, but I don't know if your network cable is the same thing. Drop during the news and retrace back up. We're not going to take the trade during news, though. That's the thing. We don't want to get caught up in that. Fiber's cheaper and way better. So what? AT&T fiber is what I should upgrade to? Or AT&T? I heard AT&T has like fiber internet or network, whatever the hell. What does fiber even mean, bro? AT&T sucks? Fiber optic cable. Oh, okay, bet. So I can keep my same internet and get a fiber optic cable and they'll be fine. The regular news already passed at 8:30. I don't see anything concerning. We have a 10 a.m. news event being released. Because it also depends on what works better in your area. Yeah, I'll look into it. Hey, yo, why are you mogging me? Why is your internet mogging me, bro? Zabuza, okay, what do I gotta do to get that internet? Teach me the ways, bro. Do you have a mentorship I can buy to learn how to get fast internet? Okay, we're getting a pre-news pumpy. Momentum internet candles. Think I'm with Verizon? Verizon? Is my gone again, bro? Working full time. I need help figuring out when to exit my trades. Any advice? Jordan, I'd say stick to one certain criteria for exiting your trades and master that. Don't just randomly change your rules because you just feel like it. Stick to one set rule for exiting your trades, whether that be 1-to-1 RR, whether that be the previous swing high, whether that be 1-to-2 RR, whatever it may be, based off price structure or distance, whatever. Risk to reward, just stick to one of them and just focus on honing in on sticking to that rule. You guys can hear me, right? Let me just double check. You guys can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me. Okay, bet. Jez, what the flip, bro? What the flip? All right, we're getting a massive pre-news rally right now. There's not a minimum number of points, Enstro. I just want it to be at least a 2 candle pullback and then a momentum candle. There's no. I don't really look for a minimum number of points. Depends on the volatility of like the recent price action. Dog, I'm getting butthurt, bro. How the fuck do I fix this 5 megabits? I'm having FOMO, Dad. It's okay, Hunter. We'll catch some plays together. Okay, 10 a.m. just dropped. Nothing crazy. Finds I go through the stop loss and back up right right after often. Are you talking about where I place my stop loss or like the stop loss for the strategy? Boo boo ass news. Where's inside? Okay. Oh, because you don't use stop loss? Well, definitely use stop loss. Just make sure you position it a little further away. If you feel that it gets stopped out and goes right back after often, then the key might be just widen out your stop loss a little bit. Maybe extend it out to another further low, or maybe some other confluence you look for. Nah, actually, we're getting no pullbacks. It's just one strong move up. At this point, just buy and hold, bro. Dog, we're just flying. I won't do that so bad, but if I did, the market would tank. Like, we're in a really good setup. It's just, we don't want to get stuck taking position way too high up. We want an actual pullback and then a candle. Really, we've only gotten like 1 candle pullbacks and then continue. 1 candle, continue. Alright, if we do get a momentum candle off this, we'll enter, boys. Let's get it. Okay, we're not holding it that strong. Great. If this candle ends up pushing to the top of the candle, I'll get in, but doesn't look like it. Maybe the next one? Probably not. This thing's already dumping too much. Hit 800 on demo, W. Okay, some very weird price action on this pullback, bro. Maybe off this candle. If this decides to pumpy. And hold it. If this candle can hold, we'll get in. This candle can hold, we'll get in. Alright, okay, I'm not entering that, bro. I'm not entering that. Are you kidding me? What in the world was that? Actually, I was literally about to press the buy button, bro. Nah, low-key, if I just pressed it a second before that happened, we would have been so profit right now. Literally exited and lost $7. Yeah, because stupid, like, fill and slippage and whatever bullshit this was. Actually, what the freak, bro? Nah, market makers actually out to guess. We were literally going to enter that trade. Nah, someone told IQ to not use too many positions. I said do it, and IQ took my advice, and now we're here. Fuck it, I'm going to go long. Holy mother flippin', bro. We don't have the same. Why didn't you have the same what? Not gonna lie, I took that trade. Oh, what? Oh, like the same wick as mine? Ayo, what? Maybe it's just because you're on MNQ. Okay, we might be getting another pullback here. Let me pop up MNQ. Yo, what? My wicks? Oh, yeah, MNQ is like that, smaller. Come on. Give us a little more of a dumpy and then momentum candle. I'm actually going to strangle this market. I'm actually going to strangle it. Like, what is this price action? We've actually moved up so much, but we haven't got a single valid entry. What the hell? Do I just, like, delete them? I'm just going to delete the momentum strategy. I'm just going to, okay. Let's just YouTube best strategy for beginner day traders now. At this point. I'm just being the troll, guys. It's okay. Now we got it. We got to take every setup now. People that enter and chase lose every time in the long run. That's true. We're just joking. That was sarcasm, by the way, guys. We were joking around. This week almost no trades. Yeah. It's all just buy right now and be ready to accept losses. Off that boo-boo candle. Fire. Best D- YouTube intraday scalping strategy. High football on the market. It is 100%. By market session is 10 minutes in school, 20 minutes in the car, 15 minutes on my... Oh, that's your trading window? She has a community college stocks teacher. They're about to be like, invest your money, 10% of your money every month into the S&P 500. Now, yeah, you guys gotta realize we gotta realize markets are always there, right? You gotta have that in the back of your head. Like, I've been here for so long, I know the markets are still gonna be here. It won't. Can you use the 1 minute with your orders? Yeah, Angel, you can. Making up to you just kind of like that. Again, no trade day. We could get it. You could get one right now. Maybe. Hold on. Pause. Let's see what we get. Do we get anything beautiful today? Press buy on the next candle. Come on. Don't dump it too hard, please. Do not dump it. Hold it, dumpy. Hold it. Hold it. We want this to hold. Like this. And then pumpy. Stop hitting sell, bro. Okay, now we're getting extremely strong pullback. Like what? Let's see. Stay patient. No. We're not going to take it off this. I don't like how this candle is pretty weak. We had a hard time getting some strength on that. Yeah, see, good thing we didn't get in that one. Like just a really strong down move with a really weak up move. We don't want to see that. If we have a really strong down move, what I want to see is hesitation and then flip to bullish. Like this, for example, strong down move, hesitation on this black one, and then flip bullish. Maybe on this candle, if we get a good momentum candle, that'll be fire. Okay, never mind. I spoke too soon. Or maybe we can build it back up. If we can build it back up to the top of the candle, I'll maybe get in. Okay, looking good. Looking good. All right, we'll try a piece of that. We're in off that momentum candle. Let's do it. Let's see what we get. Target is at the previous high. See, are we getting stopped out? Stop loss at the low of this candle. Great. Stopped out. There we go. That's going to be another loss for that trade. Nah, that is crazy. Market is actually out to get us. L-ass market, bro. That thing got a wick. It has no wicks. Like, literally no wicks. Think we just experienced a stop hunt. Look, I'm still open to take one more trade in this trading window. If we can show a lot of bullish strength off this one, we can maybe re-enter. Alright. I'm trying to piece off that candle, bro. Stops at the low of this candle. Let's target the next swing high with this one. Let's get it. Let's see us get this move. Come on. This is what I'm looking for. Last setup for the day. Last setup for the day. Come on. Let's see if we get this move right here. What's 90? Dax, it just means they have a 90% off deal right now. You stopped that? Yeah, we got stopped the right away, but we entered on this candle. Momentum candle right here. Target is at this swing high at 19106. We're going to let this thing play out. We're diamond handing. We're diamond handing, baby. Come on. Give us that next move. Let's go. Come on, market makers. Come on, IQ. Nah, we need IQ right now. IQ, cook it up for us. Come on. It is chopping a little bit. You guys are not wrong. But we're in. Set our position. Letting this baby do his thing. Come on, give us a rally. Give us a rally, baby. Break these highs right here. Break these mini highs right here. Come on. You know you want to. You know you want to. There we go. Keep pushing. Keep it pushing. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize. No. You're very, very good boy. Not in a rude way. Like, very good boy. Fuck, I shouldn't have said that. Why did I say that? Nah, market makers, you guys are on top, bro. Ain't nothing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I literally said I'm sorry. Why is it still dumping? Are we getting stopped out? I need it. I need it is crazy. We got close to stop loss. Very close, inching it. And stopped out. Another loss. Another loss for the day. Wow. We've been on a losing streak. But we have been on a losing streak. Yeah, guys, it's just like, I'm trying to make it a fun experience, but like, realistically, guys, this is like what happens sometimes. It's part of the game. Like, those guys who've been here for a while know we've been killing it since all of 2025. So like, this is just part of the probabilities. There are days where it's gonna be, or weeks, or months even, where we're gonna do really good, and months where maybe we're hesitation. Felt forced. No, I think it was a valid trade. We got that. I'm open to taking second opportunities. Like, I don't just take one trade stop loss and then don't do anything anymore. This had a very valid opportunity off this momentum candle. Just the top wick, but it was pretty small relative to the size of the candle. Entered off of it. Stops at the low of the candle. Only thing I have been seeing, looking back on my trades, is potentially extending the stop loss to the entire low instead of just the candle low. That's the only thing I've seen. That's the only thing I've seen. Our stop loss can go at the low, swing low, or instead of the candle low. But if this thing flies to take profit, I'll actually crash out. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, enough bullshitting. But yeah, this is just part of the trading, bro. Part of the trading. So if we just decide to fly to take profit, I'm gonna have to destroy my monitor right now. Just from what I've seen, Zabuza, I've seen sometimes us get stopped out, especially in the recent price action and just going over some trades throughout the day, just seeing some opportunities. No stop loss is the move is crazy. Sometimes. All right, guys. I'm shutting down the Discord, so it was good knowing all of you guys. So, everybody, good luck on your. All right, guys, gonna wrap it up here. Got some things you gotta go handle. I'm gonna go to the bank real quick, and I'm not gonna go withdraw or deposit money. We got some things to talk about. If you guys find my account on OnlyFans, or if you find my account on Feet Finder, it's not me. It's just somebody impersonating me. Don't. It's just like Discord. You know how they impersonate people? Like, it's not me. But so don't worry about it. Bro's gonna go to the Televic and say, why'd you my stop loss? Nah, I literally, bro. Like, why the fuck you guys moving the market like this, bro? Actually, like dead ass. That mother flipping income, bro. Come on now. Just for your retire money on the next trail, make it back. That might be a good idea, Grabbing. So, Grabbing, if I lose money, I can blame it on you, and then that'll be all your fault. All right, say less. I'm just kidding. The only thing that I've been seeing differently is we get stopped out quickly and if I start to take profit. One thing we might be able to do is increase our stop loss to the swing low, because this is at least from my experience what market experience and adapting to market conditions is. If you start to see that over a large number of trades, our trades get stopped out and fly towards take profit, or it would be better if we put our stop loss at a further place, widening our stop loss, then we could do that. So a new rule could be that I'm going to go and test out. I'm going to go see how the setups are previously and if they'd benefit from that. If we extended our stop loss to the swing low, would that be better? And we're going to see how that does. Down 50 cents today is crazy. Edward, you can hold the account for as long as you want. There's no minimum limit. It's just there's a monthly payment you're going to have to pay. So if you end up having the monthly payment, just the longer you hold it, the more monthly payments you're going to have to pay. So, what funded account do you think people should start capital-wise? What do you mean by capital-wise? Funded account, I think best ones are Apex, especially right now because they have a discount with eval so cheap. You can get started with having an eval for very, very cheap. So if you want to just get used to playing with fundeds, Apex is the way to go because their rules not only are pretty friendly if you actually read them, they're also very cheap for eval, so you can start practicing without having to put a lot of money towards fundeds. Whereas like other companies, it's going to cost a lot more to get like that experience in initially. I like to target the previous low as my stop loss, but I don't really have one. This will stop me out for 1,500. It seems like it. Consistency rules on Apex. Layla, I broke it down on the YouTube video about prop firms, actually. In the YouTube video about, not Apex, but consistency rule and what it is and how it works. Consistency rule is the same no matter what prop firm you use. But it's the same no matter what prop firm you use. So that video like explains the general common rules, and consistency rule is the one of them. If I buy an eval right now at a discount price, is there a certain time limit I have to trade to complete the eval? Or you can hold the eval as long as you want, Edward. The minimum required days to pass is 1 day. So you can pass the funded in one. You can pass the eval in 1 day and get funded. But the thing is, it's a monthly payment. So every month that you hold it, you're gonna have to pay for that eval. Right? It's gonna be $16 first month. Next month, you're also gonna have to pay, and the month after as well. So